Hello learners, myself Dr. Shipra Avasthi, Assistant Librarian, Jawaharlal Nehru University, New Delhi. I'll talk about importance of reference service as reference service is an essential service of the library. Introduction. Reference services have always been a part and parcel of the libraries. It is a personal guidance to library users to access the appropriate information. There is tremendous amount of information which is generated and accessible. In such situation, it becomes difficult for the users to identify and evaluate the reliable and authentic information. Reference librarian acts as a guardian and provides the right information at the right time to the user. Reference service is that phase of library work which is directly concerned with assistance to readers seeking information and in using the resources of library in study and research, according to ALA. Personal service to each reader in helping him to find documents, answering his interest most pinpointedly, exhaustively and expeditiously. Further, he added, to provide the right book to the right reader in the right personal way by Ranganathan, 1961. Categories of reference service. According to William Katz, the reference service defined by function can be divided into two categories, direct and indirect. Direct category includes reference and information service. Personal assistance is provided to the user in pursuit of information. Formal and informal instructions are given in the use of library and information centers and their resources. Indirect category includes selection of material needed for reference service, reference administration, that is organization and administration of reference service, interlibrary loan, evaluation of reference section, miscellaneous tasks such as photocopying, filing, checking in material, maintaining records and other tasks of reference department from budgeting to preparing reports and publicity material. The reference service in the library is any assistance provided by library staff to users seeking information. Bunch and Bob 2001 categorized reference service into three broad groups. Information services that involve either funding the required information on behalf of the users or assisting users in finding information. Instruction in the use of library resources and services broadly defined as information literacy skills. User guidance in which users are guided in selecting the most appropriate information sources and services. Need for reference service. Library is a place where abundance of information is stored on various subjects. In an academic institution, students visit library to retrieve the information that they required in order to complete their assignments. The information available in the library is authentic, reliable and sometimes rare information is also available. The students need to know that reference department is in place to assist them in the retrieval of the right information at the right time. The tasks and services provided by the reference librarian in the reference department are to educate patrons on how to use the library catalog. Reference librarian can educate the patrons on the use of the library catalog. The proper keywords and subjects can be suggested to the users that can be used in the library catalog to retrieve the required information. Assist patrons find books on shelves. Librarians are able to help users to go directly to the shelves to retrieve the book on a particular topic without consulting the catalog. By this approach, patrons can save time in searching the information that they need. Recommend books to patrons. Reference librarian must be familiar with the collection of the library. The librarian can recommend books to the patrons that might contain the answer to particular questions due to the familiarity of the reference books. Teach user to use online database. The librarian can educate the patrons to use the online databases and the search strategies for the topic the user is interested. Advice on searching information. Reference librarian can recommend authentic websites, provide advice on searching and evaluating the reliability of the information on websites. Reference section is the integral part of the library. It is the place where the user is provided with the assistance in obtaining the information that they require and also gain skills in searching the accurate and reliable information. Patrons can save the time by visiting the section and obtaining the information rapidly. Users should know the following. The congenial behavior of the reference librarian encourages users to seek assistance. Assistance to the patron is provided at the appropriate time and level of the need. Reference librarians have a thorough knowledge of the resources. Reference librarians are able to plan and implement effective search strategies for complex reference questions. Importance of reference service for users. Reference service assists in establishing contact between a user and the right document at the right time, which saves the time of the user. A reference service includes question answering service, search service, search help, bibliography service, and information and referral service identifying related web resources inside or outside. Reference service involves the reference interview, which establishes a personal contact between the reference librarian and the user. Technological developments have affected the mechanism of providing the service to the patrons. Technology now allows patrons to submit their queries online at any time from any place in the world. Reference librarian may consult the resources available in the library as well as those accessible outside the library to provide the service to the users. Ready reference service or short range reference service. This service is concerned with providing answers to fact-finding questions such as what, where, who, when, and how. The requested information can be easily located in standard reference books like dictionaries, encyclopedias, yearbooks, almanacs, directories, etc. Time taken to answer these queries is very short, ranging from a few minutes to half an hour. That is why this service is known as Ready Reference Service or Short Range Reference Service. Internet as a reference tool. Online sources provide updated contents, more advanced search options, download and print options. Many reference sources provide free access to their contents on the internet. Most of the publishers of reference books also offer online access to their publications on the web to the libraries who purchase their publications. Online access charges differ from publisher to publisher. Advantages of using internet as a reference tool are as follows. Easy access. The number of answers the internet provides in fraction of a second is amazing. The internet provides access to universe of information anytime from anywhere. Reference service in the digital era. Digital reference service is the provision of the personal assistance of the librarian to patrons which establish a connection between the patrons of the library and librarian in a computerized environment. It contains the use of different medium including email, video chats, etc. In the ICT based environment, the reference service is not restricted to only providing personal assistance to users, but it can be provided across the globe. By Chandwani, 2018. Digital reference service. Digital reference or virtual reference service is a service by which a library reference service is provided online and the reference transaction is a computer mediated communication between the user and the librarian. By Digital Reference 2018. It is the contact between the right user and right information at the right time and in right personal way through electronic media. Elements of reference service. The following are the basic elements of the reference service. The user, information or knowledge base, information professional or librarian, electronic resources including web resources, CD-based resources and other digitized materials. Types of reference services. There are two types of digital or virtual reference services. Asynchronous virtual reference service. It is a type of virtual reference service in which patron submits a query and the librarian responds after some time. Asynchronous virtual reference service are in various forms. They are as email reference service. In this type of reference service, a user sends a request through an email to librarian or on a specific reference email ID created by the library. The user specifies his/her specific information need in the email. The librarian responds to the query accordingly. Reference through web. Ask a Librarian website has been framed out which is designed to provide a structured web form where user is asked to reciprocate to particular queries in addition to their information needs. The web-based form has to be accessed from library homepage or reference web page. The required fields then have to filled in by the user and ultimately the form is reverted back to the library through email. Web forums are created for digital reference services to assist the patrons to raise their queries. Synchronous. In synchronous digital reference service, the exchange of information takes place in real time with an immediate response to the question. There is a live interaction between the user and the reference librarian. Therefore, it's called as real-time digital reference service. Chat using instant messaging. Instant messaging or online chat is one of the most common forms of web communication. It is more instant than an email reference service. There is live communication between user and the reference librarian. Video-based reference service or video conferencing. It is a video-based virtual reference service. It was introduced to overcome the communication problems inculcated in text-based services. In this mode of communication, both the user and the reference librarian can use the text and voice transactions. They can also view and listen each other, which is more impactful. Limitations of virtual reference service. The cost of the software is high. Once purchased, the reference staff has to be trained to use the software. More time required to answer the question than that in face-to-face reference service. The queries that rely on in-depth consultations from a variety of sources prove difficult for librarian to communicate effectively through virtual reference service. Conclusion. Digital reference services form a backbone of the information services in the libraries. They have transformed the entire skeleton of the reference services. The digital reference service has proved to be an efficient information service in the present digital era, serving the users to their expectations. Thank you.